is Laura and I'm a horticulturist here at Rogers Gardens, and today we're just going to do the basics of planting a flower bed. First of all, you want to think if you're doing full sun or shade. Today we are in full sun in our butterfly and hummingbird garden. And you want to think about height also. If you're do the things that are taller along the background, anything that's shorter in the front, and think about your colors. Today I'm doing white and purple, and I just kind of set them out so I can visually get an idea of what I'm looking at. And typically you want to plant in odd numbers. It just looks better to the eye. Okay, and the first step is you want to dig a hole. And if your soil needs to be amended at all, this is going to be the time to do it. Luckily, this soil has recently been amended, so it's really nice and easy to dig into. You just want to dig a little bit larger than your pot, hold the base of the plant, and gently pull it out. You're just going to pop it in, cover with soil, and if you have mulch, we've got a little bit of mulch here. Sprinkle your mulch around it. This is also the time to add new mulch if you want to do that. Then next is our 6-packs. These are a little bit smaller plants, so you kind of hold on to each little cell and pop the plant out individually. And these are a lot smaller, so you just need a smaller hole. And again, you're just going to pop it in and cover. And today we planted white lavenders, we have scabiosa, delphiniums, and white snapdragons. And our final step is just to give them a deep watering, and you'll have beautiful flowers before you know it. Thank you for watching.